Australia's most challenging ocean races has set off from the Mornington Peninsula. Competitors in the Melbourne to Hobart race are expected to take about 3 to 4 days to reach their destination.
While it may not be as well known as the Sydney to Hobart, our own race to Tasmania makes up for it in heart.
This is the ultimate amateur challenge, I guess you could say, in the sailing world.
This year's event consists of 12 yachts and runs alongside the shorter Melbourne to Devonport, the oldest race in Australia. The 50-foot Oscana is the hot favourite to win the Hobart race, the crew of 13 led by skipper Michael Pritchard.
For us, it's not really about winning, it's about being there and competing and having a great time and learning along the way.
The all-female crew of Red Jacket are highly experienced. 3 out of 4 have completed the Melbourne to Osaka.
We're just passionate about sailing and really passionate about promoting women and sailing and encouraging other women out there.
As the yachts approach the Derwent River, they'll be able to spot some of their competitors from the Sydney to Hobart, but there'll be plenty of other sites along the way.
People go bushwalking in Tasmania down that area, very popular.